We often hear about the importance of gut health, but what about the health of our soil? Surprisingly, these two ecosystems are deeply intertwined. The quality of the soil directly impacts the nutritional value of our food, which in turn shapes the composition of our gut microbiome. Healthy soil, teeming with life, produces nutrient-rich plants that foster a thriving gut microbiome in our bodies. Just like our gut, the soil is a complex living ecosystem. It's not just dirt, it's a vibrant web of microorganisms, fungi and insects that work together to break down organic matter and release nutrients. When we neglect the health of our soil through harmful agricultural practices, we disrupt this delicate balance and compromise the nutritional integrity of our food. This, in turn, negatively impacts our gut health, potentially leading to a cascade of health issues. The connection between soil and human health is undeniable. By understanding the impact of our agricultural practices on soil health, we can make informed choices that support both the environment and our well-being. Choosing food grown in healthy, living soil is not just about environmental stewardship, it's about nourishing our bodies from the ground up. Beneath the surface of healthy soil lies a hidden world teeming with microscopic life, a universe of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms working tirelessly to transform dead matter into life-giving nutrients. These soil microbes are the unsung heroes of our food system, playing a vital role in plant health and, ultimately, our own well-being. These tiny organisms are responsible for breaking down organic matter, releasing essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in forms that plants can absorb. They also improve soil structure, making it more porous and allowing for better water retention and drainage. A healthy population of soil microbes creates a resilient ecosystem that can better withstand pests, diseases, and extreme weather conditions. However, industrial agricultural practices, with their reliance on chemical fertilizers and pesticides, have wreaked havoc on this delicate microbial world. These chemicals disrupt the natural balance of the soil, decimating beneficial microbial populations and leaving the soil depleted and lifeless. This lack of microbial diversity translates into less nutritious food, lacking the vital nutrients and beneficial compounds that contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. Regenerative farming offers a promising solution to the environmental and health crises caused by industrial agriculture. It's not just about sustaining, it's about actively healing the damage done to our soil and restoring its vitality. Regenerative farming practices focus on mimicking nature's processes, working with the land rather than against it. This holistic approach emphasizes building soil health through practices like no-till farming, cover cropping, and crop rotation. No-till farming minimizes soil disturbance, preserving the structure and microbial life within. Cover crops, grown between cash crops, prevent erosion, suppress weeds, and add valuable organic matter to the soil. Crop rotation disrupts pest and disease cycles while promoting nutrient cycling. These practices, combined with a commitment to reducing or eliminating synthetic inputs like pesticides and herbicides, create a virtuous cycle of soil regeneration. As the soil heals, it becomes more resilient, requiring less water and fewer inputs, while producing healthier, more nutrient-dense food. This shift towards regenerative agriculture represents a paradigm shift, moving away from a system of extraction and depletion towards one of restoration and abundance. Section 5. Breathing life into the soil. Practical techniques for regeneration. Regenerative farming isn't just a concept, it's a set of practical techniques that can be implemented on farms of all sizes. One key practice is no-till planting, which involves sowing seeds directly into undisturbed soil, minimizing disruption to the soil structure and its delicate web of life. Another important practice is adding organic matter to the soil. This can be achieved through composting, using cover crops or incorporating animal manure. Organic matter acts like a sponge, improving soil structure, increasing water retention, and providing food for beneficial microbes. Breaking up hardpan, a compacted layer of soil that can inhibit root growth and water infiltration, is another crucial step in regenerative farming. This can be achieved through deep-rooting cover crops or mechanical aeration. By addressing compaction, farmers can improve drainage, increase root penetration, and create a more hospitable environment for beneficial soil life. These practices, combined with a commitment to minimizing synthetic inputs and promoting biodiversity, can transform depleted soils into thriving ecosystems, capable of producing abundant, nutritious food for generations to come.